Well, big news. Congratulations, Mike and Terry, on your new business. Yay.
Thank you. Yay.
It's been a while. You were just saying before, like we started working together, maybe it was last fall, right? It like took a while, but you guys looked at a lot and careful and good and smart type of conversation. So thank you. Thank you, first of all, just for taking the time and taking it seriously and being open-minded to crazy Lisa doing their thing. So
You gave us a lot of great options, and we narrowed it down to got you covered pretty quickly. But of course, there's that whole process of accepting the idea of starting your own business and feeling comfortable with that. It takes a little time, and you were great helping us through that.
Well, you're very welcome. Got You Covered was in our first pass, right? Was it one of the
first group?
Yeah, right. So that's cool. See, Hannah, yay.
Good matchmaking skills, Lisa.
That's right. That's right. I will say I usually every year have a rookie of the year. So no pressure, Terry.
Mike and Terry definitely fit that mold. So
right. I was like, yes. So Hannah, tell us just a little bit about Got You Covered for people that are watching the whole video.
Yeah, of course. So Got You Covered is in the home services space. We're a full custom window covering provider. Our franchise owners, just like Mike and Terry, are going to be providing custom window treatments for the interior of homes and businesses throughout their territory. Typically, people find most attractive about our model is the lifestyle flexibility and the financial potential. And I think that came across pretty quickly with Mike and Terry. They really understood the opportunity and they were in a wide open market. So really excited that they are here to join and be the first flagship Got You Covered in the St. Louis area.
Oh, that's crazy. That's so awesome that you're the first ones there. That's really cool. So guys, give us a little bit of an understanding, a little bit about your background maybe, but then also what led you to time to explore business ownership.
My background is in travel. I've actually been working in the tour operation, international escorted group tour business for 30 some odd years. And COVID came along and my business hit the skids. And we were right around that time, we were becoming empty nesters. We'd always talked about maybe starting our own business at some point. And with the travel business in the dumpster, we decided that we needed to find ways to diversify our income, and business ownership was something that we decided to take a look at very quickly. In our research, we saw that franchise businesses succeed at a much higher rate than businesses that are started from scratch. And that led us to you, Lisa. And of course, you were great in kind of helping us because one of the hardest things to figure out is what business do I want to open? And that because you can think of 1,000 different things, but which one actually makes sense? Which one do you feel connected with? And you provided a ton of great suggestions, but at the end, the Got You Covered just seemed right because Terry's background, she loves interior decorating and design, and she's really good with colors and fabrics and spatial things in terms of home design. And she was going to be taking this on full time. I was going to keep my job and just do part-time. So it worked out. It made a ton of sense for us to go in this direction. And the more we got to know Got You Covered, the more we liked them. And apparently they liked us too, because here we are still.
Terry, tell a little bit, like you guys have been to training now. So you get to say a little bit about like, what did you think about that? Are you ready to go? I mean, you're going to be the face of this business, so it's exciting.
Yeah, the training was fabulous. We learned so much information, still absorbing all of it.
Right.
But all the resources and everything that we got during training were fabulous. As Mike mentioned, we're starting to get all of our samples and our sample books. So we're going through all of those. I had a meeting today with one of the representatives just to go over a little training details, kind of information, just so I kind of know where everything is, which was wonderful. Everybody's been very, very welcoming, which has been great. Enjoyed meeting everyone. It got you covered. They were all wonderful, the corporate team.
They loved you too.
Oh,
I got emails. We love them.
we had so much fun. It was a great experience. So
That's awesome.
looking forward to it. Yeah.
Congratulations, guys, and know that I do keep up, but this is always the hard part. I was saying earlier, it's like my little birds kind of leave the nest, and I'm not talking to you every week. And how are you doing? And we talk to the attorney, and we talk to the funding, we talk to and so now I just kind of like wonder how they're doing. So I definitely keep up, because I do like honestly want to hear the successes and how you're doing. You become my validation now, right? So it's like, okay, well, congratulations. Let's grab these confetti poppers and see if we can.
Thank you both too. You guys were so wonderful, both of you. Made it a lot easier going through the process and the decision and all of that. So thank you, both of you.
Yeah, we just have one question left to both of you. Do either of you need any window treatments by any
I could be a first one.
Do you fly to Florida? Will you come down?
You might be a little out of our territory, but
Right.
We'll make the trip.
I think it's interesting to say that you guys already have got your first call, your first person to come in, even before you turned everything on. So
I know, it was exciting. We're like, oh my goodness, what do we do?
It's gonna work. Now we know it's gonna work.
Right. I was like, what do they need?
That's awesome. Congratulations, guys. We'll do it on I'll do a countdown, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Just go straight up in the air. Okay.
Okay, ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
woohoo!
That was
All right, guys. Well, thank
Loved
you so much.
it.
Congratulations. Let it kind of be a mess for a second, because it's a good, like, this is a celebration, it's important to remember this is a big day and a big step. So congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for all your help.
And thank you guys for everything. Appreciate
Of
it.
course. We're so excited to have you, and Rookie of the Year, right?
That's
Yeah.
right. Coming at ya. Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Have a great week.